Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today to do a quick little video. It's an organization video and I'm going to be organizing my acrylic paints, and this is a hack. So I have a bunch of acrylic paints that just take up so much room. And I saw this on TikTok, and it's a great, efficient, and affordable way to organize your acrylic paints or anything that's about this size. Maybe even like small bottles of glue would work. Glue sticks, we'll try it out right now. But it's so simple to make. You need to buy these napkin holders from Dollar Tree. So it's just like a rainbow kind of. And then a paper towel holder, also from Dollar Tree. And then you need a bag of zip ties. So I've already made one of these. This will be my second one. The bag of zip ties is more than enough for so many. So your initial investment will be $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. And after that, if you want to make more of these, it'll be $5 to make it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is cut off these tags. All right, now it's really simple, if I can remember how I did it. So you're gonna take your paper towel holder, and you're basically gonna put the napkin holders back to back with the spine of the paper towel holder right in the middle. So let's just start with this one. I'm going to use red this time. All right, so I am going to make sure that's even. And then just zip tie it together tightly. And I'm going to go around and do it to the other side. Zip tie it tightly. And then do it to the top. Although I kind of want to do it right here. How does this sit? Maybe I'll do one once I get the sides in. So I'm going to do one here. Let me lay it on its side so you can see the side view. I think I'm putting more zip ties than is necessary, but I just feel like doing that right now. So I'm just going to do that. So that's the first layer. Just going to make sure they're all nice, even, and tight. Then let's start doing the top layer. So I made one of these for my acrylic paints, and then I wanted to try it out in the bathroom for my lipsticks and my lip pencils, and it works pretty well. Like, it's not as efficient as these acrylic paints because of the shape of the lipsticks and the lip pencils. They don't fit quite as well, but it still saves enough room where it's worth it to do that. And because these are zip ties, you could so easily just take this apart again if you wanted to. All right. So that's how it ends up looking. And let me go ahead and cut off the excess. Might be easier if I do it like this. All right, so there we go. Now I am going to just try some glue sticks and see how they work. I think glue sticks would work well, and if you have some of these kinds of glues, I mean, I think it works pretty decent. The only thing is that it's not going to be facing down, so that's something to think about. But let me go ahead and put the actual acrylic paints in here, and I'll take the the phone down so you guys could see it straight ahead. And I think the cool thing about this is that it's out on display, so you will be more inclined to use it, I guess. And I kind of liked, and I think the size of this makes it perfect, where this little loop part where it slides down is not too much of a disaster. Because with the lipsticks and stuff, it doesn't work that well. So I'm doing it kind of by shade and color family and all that. I mean, I'm not gonna spend too much time right now, just because I don't want the video going long just of me trying to decide where to put the colors. But you'll get an idea of how it turns out. Okay. I love acrylic paints, especially the chalky colors. Sometimes I think about what my favorite color is, and I realize that I don't have a favorite color. I like more like shades. So I really like these chalky colors, like chalky green, chalky pink or peach, chalky purple, even though purple's usually not my favorite color, but if it's in that shade, I really like it. Okay, blues, greens, purple can go there, and white. All right, so let me take you guys down from my stand, and you can see how it ends up looking. So it's not even that much room. I mean, I have a lot of paints, right? This is a lot of paint, and this little area, it's not even that much room, but I can still fit some more paints, like probably at least 2 more, if not more than that, probably 2 more. And then you can lift it and turn it around, and there's that view of it. So I think it looks really cool, especially just for $5. And you can have it right there for you to see. All right, I just thought I'd do a quick video on that in case it could help someone. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you want to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.